Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to send a one-time viewed photo on Snapchat. If you're looking to share a picture that disappears after being viewed once, follow these simple steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once the app is open, you'll see the camera screen. Next, take a photo using the camera by tapping the capture button in the center of the screen. If you prefer to use an existing photo from your phone, swipe up to access your memories or camera roll and select the image you want to send. After selecting or capturing your photo, look for the timer icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Tap this icon, and a menu will appear with different viewing options. To make your photo viewable only once, select 1. This ensures that your snap will disappear after it's been viewed. Now that your snap is set to one-time viewing, it's time to send it. Tap the blue Send button at the bottom right of the screen. This will bring up your list of friends. Choose the person or group you want to send your snap to by selecting their name. Finally, hit the arrow icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to send your snap. That's it. Your one-time viewed photo is on its way. This feature is perfect for sharing moments privately and securely, without worrying about them being saved or replayed. Try it out today and enjoy Snapchat's unique way of keeping things fun and fleeting.